Hey guys, let's take a look at your practice sheet for today. Remember that for today's assignment, you only have to do numbers 1 through 8 and number 17. So you can skip the other items on the sheet. Let's look at number 1. We're going to take 1/4 and divide it into 4 equal pieces. So here's what the model will look like when we show 1/4. When we divide 1/4 into 4 equal pieces, we end up with 1/16 of the total in each group. So 1/4 divided by 4 equals 1/16. Okay, let's look at number 2. 1/3 divided into 2 equal pieces. So here's 1/3 of the total, highlighted in red. If we cut that 1/3 into 2 equal pieces, we end up with 1/6 of the total in each group. So 1/3 divided by 2 equals 1/6. Okay, let's look at this one. 1/2 divided into 2 equal groups. So here is an area model. I'm going to shade 1/2. And then I'm going to cut that 1/2 into 2 equal groups because 2 is my divisor. When I do that, I can see that I have 1/4 in each group. So 1/2 divided by 2 equals 1/4. Next, let's look at number 4. 1/5 divided into 4 equal pieces. Here's my area model. I'm going to cut my area model into 5 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to shade 1/5. And then I'm going to cut that 5th into 4 equal pieces because 4 is my divisor. When I do that, I can see that 1/20th of the total is what I end up with in each group. So 1/5 divided by 4 equals 1/20th. Okay, now I'm going to let you work on questions 5 through 8 and question 17 on your own. Let me know if you have any questions.